How to add money to Chime from bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Chime account, and after that you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of transfer from other banks. Now you need to click on the option of link your external account. This way you would be prompted to continue on next screen, and it is a paid service. Paid basically helps you link your bank, so just click on continue. After that you need to select your bank, and in case if you are not able to find your bank in the list, just simply click on the search bar and search for your bank. After that, select your bank. This way it will prompt you to log into your bank account. Just enter your credentials, and this way after logging into your bank account, it will ask you to verify your identity. You can verify your identity by using the given options, and this way you would be able to verify. After that, you just have to select your bank and continue. Now just simply confirm it, and this way you would be prompted on the last screen. Over there, just simply type the amount that you want to add to your Chime account, and this way click on the option of transfer. Now it will give you a preview of your transaction. Just simply check it out all the details and click on confirm. This way you would be able to add the money to your Chime account from your bank account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.